If you've ever wondered if you could make money by watching videos on YouTube or TV, this very detailed and helpful video is for you. It looks into whether this is true, how it works, and the different ways it works. It also shows up to 10 sites and programs that really do pay you to watch YouTube videos. Many people make money online these days by watching videos on YouTube or even on TV and getting paid for it. Many people already know about YouTube, but if you don't, it's a website where people share videos and make a lot of money. A lot of people and companies show off their products and services on YouTube. They make channels for their products and services and post videos that may teach, entertain, or inform viewers. If you watch a lot of videos on YouTube, there are real ways to make good money just by watching them. We'll show you how to make money by watching YouTube videos in this video. But before we start, welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's another big money moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Now let's do this. Can you really get paid to watch videos? Yes, you can do it. Even though it sounds like a scam, it's not. One of the things that you can do to make money is watch videos, even if you don't do it all day long. The thing is, if you're going to watch videos online on YouTube anyway, why not get paid for it? Some of the videos might be fun to watch, and you might even learn something from them. We all get annoyed when ads cut into the video we want to watch. But what if you got paid to watch? Even if you don't believe it, there are sites that pay you to watch ads, previews, and other content, like movies and TV shows. You can earn gift cards and extra cash by watching online videos in your spare time. This won't make you rich, but it could help you save some money. There are a lot of companies that need help and are looking for new people to join. Here's how to get started. 1. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars has given its members more than $59 million in cash since the company started in 2000. Inbox Dollars is a legitimate site that will pay you to watch online videos. It has an A rating from the Better Business Bureau and a lot of good reviews on Trustpilot. On its video channel, Inbox Dollars lets you watch a wide range of videos in different categories. Before you watch, you can find out how much you can make, which could be anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars. You can watch as many videos as you want. Big companies pay Inbox Dollars to show you their content, and Inbox Dollars gives you a cut of the money it makes. As you watch more videos, you'll be able to get virtual scratch-off cards with cash prizes hidden inside. When you have $30 in your account, you can cash out through PayPal, choose a gift card, or ask for a check. 2. MyPoints. Since 1996, MyPoints has been a site for rewards. The Better Business Bureau has given the company an A rating, and there are thousands of great reviews of the company on Trustpilot. With MyPoints, you can use your account to get rewards when you shop, on top of coupon discounts, take online surveys, and play games for points, and of course, watch videos. To earn points with MyPoints when you watch videos, you'll need to finish a list of videos. You can earn points by using the MyPoints mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS, or by using your computer on the site. Watching video playlists can earn you up to 500 points per day. How much each point is worth depends on what you choose to do with it. One unique thing about MyPoints is that it works with United Airlines, so you can use your points to add miles to your United Mileage Plus account. But if you don't plan to travel soon, you can choose from gift cards from 70 stores and restaurants, or turn your points into a PayPal deposit or Visa prepaid card. 3. Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks is a popular rewards program that has been around since 2004. It is owned by the same company as MyPoints and Inbox Dollars. The BBB gives the company an A rating, and Trustpilot has tens of thousands of great reviews. You can earn points on Swag Bucks by shopping at partner stores, searching the web, filling out surveys, and watching videos. It has paid out more than $434 million to its users, and every day it gives out 7,000 gift cards. Users can cash out their points through PayPal or exchange them for gift cards. $1 is equal to 100 Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks says that some dedicated users have made more than $10,000 on the site, but most casual users make between $25 and $100 each month. Swag Bucks is a legit way to make money for doing things you would do anyway. It won't make you rich, but it is a good way to make some extra cash. 4. CashKick. CashKick works with companies that want to hear from customers like you. Just like the other tried and true apps on our list, even though CashKick doesn't have its own page on the Better Business Bureau website, it is a real site that lets you earn rewards in a number of different ways. CashKick users can get paid for watching short videos, taking surveys, downloading and playing games, signing up for services, and doing other things on their computer or mobile device. The amount you get paid for each activity is different, and once you have $10 in your CashKick account, you can choose to cash out via PayPal. You can also earn rewards by telling your friends about CashKick. When a friend uses your referral link to sign up for CashKick and complete tasks, you'll get 25% of their total earnings. If you have friends or family who want to make extra money on the side, referring them to the site can be a great way to get closer to the $10 payout threshold. 5. Nielsen. Nielsen has been keeping track of what people listen to and watch for more than 90 years. They do this so that they can tell businesses how well their content is doing. Nielsen is a company on the S&P 500 list that does market research in more than 100 countries. Nielsen rates content in part by looking at how Nielsen families, which are groups of people chosen to be representative of communities as a whole, act. You can't sign up to be a Nielsen family, but if you are chosen, you'll get gifts for taking part. You can also join the computer and mobile panel from Nielsen. To join, you will need to put software on your devices. The app can be downloaded on both iPhones and Android phones. From there, just use the internet like you normally would to watch content. You don't have to watch certain videos. You'll help companies make their products better, and you might also get rewards or a chance to win something. Every month, Nielsen gives away $10,000. 6. Netflix. Keep an eye on job openings at Netflix if you're looking for a full-time job, are good at putting things into groups, and love movies and TV. A small number of lucky editorial analysts, also known as taggers, are hired by Netflix to put their content into the right categories and rows on your home screen. That means you could get paid to watch movies and TV for hours on end. For instance, the company recently had a job opening for someone who speaks Spanish and is interested in content from Latin America. Watch, research, rate, tag, annotate, and write analysis reports for movies and TV shows was the first duty. Sounds like a dream for someone who loves to watch whole seasons of new shows all at once. 7. Grab Points. Grab Points is a free mobile app that came out in 2014 and lets people do things like take surveys and watch videos to earn points. Both on its website and on Trustpilot, there are a lot of good things said about Grab Points. You'll get points on Grab Points when you watch videos. There are many channels to choose from, so you won't have to watch videos that don't interest you. Grab Points will tell you how many points you'll get and how many videos you need to watch to get rewards. You can get PayPal Cash or free gift cards to popular stores once you have 3,000 points, which is equal to $3. Grab Points is one of the fastest ways to make money online by watching videos. The minimum amount you need to cash out is low, and you can get your money 48 hours after requesting it. You can also get more points if you tell other people about the program. 8. Viggle. Viggle is a rewards app for Android devices that came out in 2012. It lets people get rewards for doing things like watching TV shows and listening to music. More than 7 million people have downloaded the app, and they have redeemed more than 19 million in rewards. With the Viggle app, you can get points for watching TV shows and movies on your favorite streaming services or live TV, as long as you check in. Users of the Viggle app get a point for every minute they watch a show or listen to music through the app. Featured shows can earn up to 15 times the points. You can turn your points into PayPal Cash, a prepaid debit card, or free gift cards to more than 200 stores. Keep in mind that the reviews on Google Play are mixed, and that many users have said that the app has bugs. But Viggle is a real app that you might want to try. 9. iRazoo. iRazoo is a rewards program that started in 2016 and gives users points for trying out apps, completing surveys and offers, playing games, and watching videos. There are more than 50 video channels to choose from on iRazoo. You'll mostly see ads, trailers for apps and movies, short films, reviews of movies, and cooking tutorials. Once you have 3,000 points, you can exchange them for a $5 gift card or $5 in PayPal Cash. After you choose your reward, you'll have 30 days to use it before it goes away. Trustpilot reviews of iRazoo are mixed, with some users saying they had a good time and others saying they had trouble redeeming their points. It's worth trying, but it might not be as profitable as some of the other things on our list. 10. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is another reward site that makes money from advertisers and gives some of that money back to its users. You can get paid to take surveys and search the web, get cash back for shopping, and get rewarded for watching videos and listening to the radio. Once you have $25 in your Fusion Cash account, you can cash out via PayPal, direct deposit, or check. You don't have to pay anything to get your money. In addition to the extra money you can make from watching videos, you can get a $5 bonus just for signing up, and between $1 and $5 for each friend who also signs up. Fusion Cash has a few mixed reviews on Trustpilot, and people who have used it say it's not the fastest way to make money, but it might be worth a try. For more money-making secrets, click the video on the screen now.